Strange agricultural machines that boost productivity, Part 3. Has the idea of a farm set in a futuristic world ever crossed your mind? You'd think autonomous machines, sentient robots that don't get tired, and ever-precise farming methods that create nutrient-packed food for the world. Well, we might not be there yet, but we sure enough are getting close. Secure your seatbelts because the agricultural revolution is here. Today, more work can be done in record time and with very little work hours thanks to these novel machines. Despite their sometimes strange appearance, they are really powerhouses of productivity that are changing the game in terms of food production. Before we move on, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our frequent uploads. Shall we jump in? John Deere 1024R Hay Baler. Introducing the John Deere 1024R, the pint-sized powerhouse that packs a punch. This little green machine is all about effortless efficiency. This utility machine can be fitted with most anything, and its size makes it adaptable for both small and large farms. The 1025R can be used for a lot of things. Think about zippy controls for mowing the lawn in record time, transforming your garden into a masterpiece with a John Deere tiller, feeding your animals like a boss with the handy front-end loader. Think just about anything. The John Deere 1025R hits a sweet spot with the combination of size, features, capabilities, and reliability. Not too big, not too small for the homeowner. Equipped with just about every bell and whistle you can think of, and capable of handling nimble jobs that'll make you wonder why you didn't get one of these tractors years ago. The John Deere 1025R isn't just a tractor. It'll conquer your chores with ease, leaving you wondering how you ever managed without it. Frumico KT20. Moving farm produce out of the farm and to storage can be a lot of work. Say goodbye to those logistical nightmares with the Frumico KT20, the ultimate bin hauler, built for farmers by farmers. We all know moving fresh crops can be a backbreaker. The KT20 solves that problem for good. This innovative machine, designed by the German company Ludich, is the secret weapon you need to streamline your harvest season. Don't let its sleek design fool you. The KT20 is a workhorse, capable of hauling 22 full bins with ease. The KT20 speeds up movement of fruits and vegetables from field to storage. Less time in transit means fresher produce that arrives in tip-top condition. That's the least of it, as the specialty design hopper allows for easy front-loading of full bins, stacking them neatly in the rear for efficient transport. Unlike most haulers that have limited reach on the farms, the KT20 is built to go anywhere. No matter the terrain, the KT20 tackles it all with its powerful 4x4 traction, hydrostatic drives, and electro-hydraulic functions. It doesn't matter if it is muddy fields or sloping hills. It'll get the job done. The Frumico KT20 isn't just a machine. It's your partner in maximizing efficiency and getting the most out of your harvest. Stop letting logistics slow you down. Selector 450. Is transplanting bare root trees a chore that you're sick of? Meet the Damcon Selector 450. By eliminating the manual labor involved in transplanting, this self-propelled equipment frees you up to concentrate on helping your trees establish themselves in their new locations. Operators may choose the optimal blade size for each individual tree they are cutting down, using the two choices included with the Selector 450. The machine uses a clamp shaker that holds trees in place while they're being lifted. The vehicle also has flexible steering, which makes it simpler to drive in confined areas and, in theory, around obstacles like trees or uneven ground. The Selector 450's effectiveness compared to hand lifting is emphasized by its capability of 80 to 120 trees per hour. Technovict. Achieving the perfect harvest for your vineyard is all about a delicate touch. Handling these grapes too roughly can damage the fruit, compromising the quality of the final product. Technovic solves this problem in a unique way. Technovic grape harvesters are designed to navigate this challenge. Unlike backbreaking manual harvesting, Technovic machines use a shaker system that mimics the natural swaying of vines in the wind. This gentle shaking loosens the grapes from the bunch without harming the delicate fruit or the vine itself. Once loosened, the grapes fall onto the carefully designed catching trays that cushion the impact and prevent bruising or crushing. Technovic harvesters take the worry out of the harvest, allowing grape growers to focus on cultivating healthy, flavorful grapes. Grain bagger. Even though it's one of the most common agricultural practices, drying and bagging grains after each harvest can be a real pain if you ask around. Well, you don't have to bother with the dirty and time-consuming old ways of bagging, thanks to this clever device, which makes use of vacuum suction. Grain storage may now be done by a single person. The grain bagger will revolutionize your operation, no matter how big or small your farm is. With this cutting-edge instrument at your disposal, you can have your whole attention on other tasks at hand, increasing both your yield and your financial gain. Pluckotrack. This revolutionary machine isn't your average harvester. With over 30 years of experience under its belt, pun intended, the Pluckotrack is a proven winner for efficiency and quality. Forget about lugging empty bins around the orchard. The Pluckotrack eliminates the hassle completely. But wait, there's more. The Pluckotrack cuts your driving distance in half compared to traditional methods. That means less fuel burned, less wear and tear on your machinery, and less soil compaction. All while you save precious time. Efficiency is king with the Pluckotrack. Now let's talk about options. The Pluckotrack comes with two models, the Senior and the Junior. The Junior is a compact powerhouse, perfect for smaller orchards with driving distances between 8 and 15 feet and trees up to 13 feet tall. Don't let its size fool you though. The Junior is just as tough as its big brother, built to handle hills, sand, and even rocky terrain. Both models prioritize your needs and get your entire team harvesting at once. The Pluckotrack accommodates 4 to 6 workers, with ground access and 2 platform levels for maximum efficiency. The fruit is gently deposited onto conveyor belts, and for added convenience, it can be modified with a box carrier that can hold up to 16 boxes. Hortec Hoover. Hortec Hoover XL, built to prolong the life of crops, cleans up after each leaf harvest, a task typically performed by a professional harvester, using a bandsaw to chop up the leaves and an elevator to put them in boxes, exactly as its name indicates. The method involves cutting the plants 3 or 4 times, and the parts that don't make the grade fall to the ground, where they might infect the next harvest. That problem is handled by the Hoover XL, which collects all the undesirable debris and deposits it in a tipping hopper for later disposal from the greenhouse or field where the crop is cultivated. Benefiting from this clean method, you may harvest your crop 6 or 7 times during the growing season without having to reseed. The all-wheel steer machinery is equipped with a 75 horsepower Kubota diesel engine with a sophisticated swing-over hoover head, allowing it to operate in both the current and adjacent beds. Deep field robotics. Weeding can be annoying, particularly when there are many hectares to tend. This monotonous job usually requires a lot of manpower and work hours to get done. To give desirable plants a leg up in development, the robot's weeding process is designed to structurally eliminate weeds without causing damage to plants close by. The robot uses a camera and artificial intelligence to operate, and with time, the weeding robot gains the ability to distinguish between plants that we want and those that we don't, based on variables like leaf color, shape, and size. That's a crash course on cutting edge of agricultural tech. From AI robots to laser-sharp harvesters, the future of farming is here, and it's awesome. These aren't just fancy gadgets, folks. These are tools that empower you, the farmers, the backbone of our food system. More crops, less waste, higher yields. That's the name of the game. That's a wrap. Please subscribe to our channel and give this video a big ol' like if you found it entertaining. Come and join us as we go on an exciting journey into the realm of food and farming's future. Until next time.